We've been using the Active Coffee Maker Cleaner, and something I really like about this is it's not just for our drip coffee maker. This is actually okay for us to be able to use on our Keurig as well. It does have 24 tablets inside of here, so this is supposed to last for 1 year. That would equivalent to using one every 2 weeks or so, which is what we have been doing. And that grime and kind of sliminess that can kind of build up on your coffee maker completely goes away with this. If you've never used something like this before, especially on your drip coffee maker, I would recommend, and there are also instructions on the back of here, to actually run it through twice. So to do the descaling twice instead of just once. And then for me, I know that we definitely noticed a difference. Something else that I like about this is when you first order from this company, they send you a little handwritten note to thank you for ordering from a small business, which I can really appreciate. And up here on the top, I don't think you're supposed to do it this way, but this is how I do it. I do put a check mark here. This kind of gives you an idea of when you actually used your last one. And then instead of me just check marking it like it shows here, I put the date. That way we can see exactly when we did the last one. That way we don't forget. And I think that is working out really well for us. It is just a standard little tablet. I'm going to show you what this looks like here, but I do feel like this does a much better job, especially when you're comparing it to, I know for me, we've tried like the vinegar thing and all kinds of different remedies to be able to clean, and I just think these work so much better. Here is what they look like. The instructions are very easy to be able to follow. We haven't had any issues with this, and I feel like the coffee tastes better because it doesn't have that extra buildup on it. So I'm glad the company sent me these ones to try, and hopefully this helps.